Hello dear students, I am going to teach you the basics of exercise 4.4 minors and cofactors. Your first point is minors. Minors symbol is Mij, capital M. The minor of any element Aij is defined by a determinant obtained by deleting its ith row and jth column. So I am going to tell you now how to find minors. Okay, I am going to explain this definition also. So with the help of this example we will understand. Like this, any matrix will be given. Firstly I have taken 3 by 3. After I will take 2 by 2. So in this 3 by 3 matrix we have to find minors. So minor symbol, as I said, Mij. I means row, J means column. So 1 1 1 2 1 3, M1, M11, M12 and M13. These are the minors of first row. And if we will go in second row, 2 1 2 2 and 2 3. Okay, 2 1 2 2 and 2 3. And for third row we will take third row first column. 0 is third row and first column, so 3 1 3 2 and 3 3, like these. So these are the symbols. If anywhere he will ask minors, you have to write these all, okay, as it is. Now how to find the minors? So go in the definition. Minor means we will delete its ith row and jth column. Like we are finding 1 1, so 1 1 means first row and first column. Okay, first row first column element is 1, so log this 1. Now delete its row and column. So what we will get? 5 6 3 1. So 5 6 3 1 we will write here as it is. Okay, and don't use matrix here because minor is the determinant. Okay, minor of any element is defined by a determinant. So everywhere it will come in the form of determinant. So I am making everywhere determinants first. Like this you can make determinants. Now we have to fill only elements inside this after deleting its row and column. So how to start? From first element is 1, so don't write 1 anywhere, okay, outside. Only we have to delete its row and column. Whatever will remain, that we have to write inside. Now see this 1 2. 1 2 element is this, second element is 2. Okay, now its row and its column will delete. This 2 is coming in first row and second column, so first row and second column will delete. So 4 6 0 1, this will remain 4 6 0 1 as it is for 3. Now last element is this 3 of first row. Now this 3 is coming in this third column and first row, so these first row and third column will delete. 4 5 0 3 will remain 4 5 0 3. Okay, and keep in mind this minors have to write in the same order, otherwise these will interchange. Okay, so 1 1 1 2 1 3, 2 1 2 2 2 3, 3 1 3 2 3 3. You can learn like this. After that, second row first column element is 4. So if we will take this 4, then its corresponding row and column will delete. So second row and first column will delete. We are taking for 4. So 2 3 3 1 will remain. If we take 5, then second row and second column will delete. 1 3 0 1. Now we are taking 2 3, means 6. Okay, so this 6, its corresponding column and row will delete. 1 2 0 3 will remain. Now last row is remaining. We have done 1 2 3 4 5 6, we have done. Now take this 0. If 0 we will take, its column and row will delete. 2 3 5 6. After 0 we will take 3, so its column and row will delete. 1 3 4 6, and last 1. So 1, its column and row will delete. 1 2 4 5. Okay, so successfully we have done all minors. Now we have to find its values. So we know how to find. It is 2 by 2 determinant, so we will expand this. Firstly we will cross multiply left side. Okay, 5 1 5, Now subtract the product of right hand side terms. 6 3 ja 18 minus 13. Okay. Now expand this. 4 1 ja 4 minus 0 into 6 0. It will come 4. 4 3 ja 12 minus 5 into 0 0 12. 2 minus 3 3 ja 9 minus 7. 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0 will come 1. 3 1 ja 3 minus 0 3. 12 minus 15 minus 3. 6 minus 4 3 ja 12 minus 6. 5 1 ja 5 minus 8. It will come minus 3. Okay. So these are the minors. So you have to write answers here like this. Completed. So if anywhere any 3 by 3 matrix is given, then how to find minors I have explained. Just keep in mind this 1 2 3 4 5 6 0 3 1 elements we will not use anywhere. You can see like we have taken one first element, so we will not write one outside. Okay, only we will delete its row and column, and whatever will remain, that determinant we will write only, and as it is we will complete till M33. Now one example I am taking of 2 by 2 matrix. It's minors, so only 4 elements are there. So 1 1 1 2 2 1 and 2 2. So your first element is 1. So if you will take 1, its corresponding row and column will delete, so only one element will remain 4. So we will write only 4 there. Okay. Now second element is 2. So this 2 is coming in this row and this column, so only 3 will remain. So here we will write 3. Now 1 and 2 we have done. Now take 3. 3 is coming in this first column and second row, so 2 will remain. Now last element is 4, so its row and column will delete, only 1 will remain. So it is your 2 by 2 minors. And you can make its matrix also minor matrix. For telling your answer properly, Mij is equals to, you can make matrix also of this minor matrix. If your answer is given in the matrix form, okay, then these elements you have to arrange 4 3 2 1. 4 3 2 1 answer you can write like this, and you can arrange also this. So in first row we will write these elements upper side, minus 13 4 12. So minus 13 4 12 we will write here. After that minus 7 1 3, minus 7 1 3 in second row we will arrange, and minus 3 minus 6 and minus 3 we will arrange into last row. Okay, like that also you can tell your answer, so that examiner will check easily. After minors we will go into cofactors. Cofactor symbol is Aij, like minor symbol was Mij, so we will write everywhere M11 like this in this form M, but cofactor symbol is A, capital A. Okay, capital Aij. So its formula is there, definition is same like minors. So you can see this cofactor is equals to minus 1 raised to power I plus j Mij. Mij is here minors. So for finding cofactor we have to find minor first. Okay, without minors we can't find cofactors directly. And minus 1 raised to power I plus j, I will explain this how to find. So you can see, for example, I have taken the same matrix which I have taken there. Okay, so that easily we can complete this video. That's why directly I will write here its minors, like already we have done here minors. Minus 13 4 12, directly I am writing minus 13 4 12, minus 7 1 3, minus 3 minus 6 minus 3. Okay, so already we have done, so you can copy also here as it is, but for making this video short I am writing direct. Now how to find this cofactor? Cofactor you have to write minus 1 everywhere, minus 1 raised to power I plus j. So minus 1 raised to power minus 1 write everywhere first. We are doing cofactors now with the help of minors. So minors I taught you how to find, and for finding cofactor you have to write everywhere minus 1 first. Now see this I plus j. I plus j means this is Ij. So I plus j means 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. and its minor we have to write here. After that minor we have to multiply with this, both are in multiply, so its minor is minus 13, so we will write here in multiply of minus 13. As it is 1 2, so its power will be 1 plus 2, its power will be 1 plus 3, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 2 plus 3, 3 plus 1, 3 plus 2, and 3 plus 3. We have to multiply by its minors here. Okay, now these minus as it is copy here, like minus 13 we have written. Now we will write here 4, then 12, minus 7, 1, 3, minus 3, minus 6, and minus 3. I can show you. Okay, you can see everywhere minus we will copy, minus 13, 4, 12, minus 7, 1, minus 3 up to minus 3. Now calculate this. You can see 1 plus 1 will become 2. Okay, so negative power is 2, minus 1 power 2, so it will be positive, means minus 1 square you can write into minus 13, so it will be positive, so minus 13 will come answer. Okay, for saving space I will write direct value here. You can see 1 plus 2 will come 3, 3 is odd number. If it will come even number after adding these, 2 is even number, so it will be positive. Okay, so minus will not multiply by minus, it will be positive. Now 1 plus 3 is odd number, because 1 plus 2 will come 3, so 3 is odd number, so any negative number its power is odd, so it will be negative. So negative will multiply by 4, so it will come minus 4. 3 plus 1 positive, because it is even, 3 plus 1 4, so only 12 will come here. 2 plus 1 3, so it will come minus minus plus 7, minus 1 power 4, so it will be positive, so 1 1 ja 1. It is 3 plus 2 5, so minus will come outside, so minus 3. 3 plus 1 4 is even, so minus will not come, only this minus 3 will remain, otherwise minus minus will be plus, but its power is even, so this minus will become positive already, so this part is positive, so minus 3 will come as it is. 3 plus 2 5, so it is negative, minus minus will be plus, positive 6, and 3 plus 3 6, so it is also positive, it will come minus 3. So your cofactor matrix will be Aij. Arrange your first element came minus 13, minus 4, 12, minus 13, minus 4, 12. Now these are the elements of second row, 7 1 minus 3. After that minus 3 6 minus 3. This is your answer. This is your cofactors. So with the help of minor we find cofactor. You can see once check what is the difference between minor and cofactor. Only their sign are different. Okay, values are same, like there is 4, 12 12 7 7 like this, but somewhere sign is different, somewhere sign is also same. So don't be confused, use only this formula. Okay, if power is even, then minus 1 will become plus 1. If its power is odd, like 2 plus 1 is 3, then this negative will come outside, because minus 1 cube is minus 1, and 1 is, and minus 1 square is positive 1. So this rule keep in mind. Okay, so I hope you understood this cofactors. Now this last point is remaining, expanding the determinant with the help of cofactors. Okay, we can take the help of cofactors to expand and to calculate the value of determinant also. So this is the formula. Formula is simple, 1 1 1 1 1 2 1 2 1 3 1 3. Okay, these number of row, number of columns will be same as cofactors. Here small a is representing elements, capital A is representing cofactors. Like I said in the first, the definition of minors, element symbol is Aij, small aij. Okay, and cofactor symbol is capital Aij. So this, like here we will not use these elements 1 2 3 4 5 6 0 3 1, anywhere we are not using, but for expanding we will multiply this element also by cofactors, so its correct value will come. Okay, just for example, we have to find delta equals to, that same example I will take, 0 1 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 0 3 1. Like this we have to expand with respect to 1. By any row and any column you can expand. Okay, so I am taking this first row only. With the help of first row we have to expand and we have to calculate the value of this. So it is any A, matrix A. So how to expand? Delta equals to row 1 formula you can see here, 1 1 1 1 2 and 1 3 we will take. So A11, A11, A12, A12, A21, A22. So here element we will multiply by cofactor. A11 element is 1 2 3. These are elements 1 2 3. So its value we will put here 1 2 and 3. Okay, these are 1 2 3 are elements. So we will write, now we will multiply by its cofactors. Its cofactors already we found backside, A11, A12 and A22. 1 1 1 2 and it will come 1 3 here. See in the formula, by mistake I written 1 3 1 3. So it will come 1 3 1 3 here. So we will write the value of 1 1 1 2 and 1 3. See here 1 1 1 2 and 1 3, only first row. Minus 13 minus 4 12. Minus 13 minus 4 and 12. Once more you can check, minus 13 minus 4 and 12. Minus 13 minus 4 and 12. Now only calculate this, you will get your value of determinant. Minus 13 minus 8 and 36. 21 36, so it will come 15. Delta value is 15. And if you expand with respect to R2 also, and you can expand like I said how to expand any value of delta, then you can expand directly also, it will come same value. Just keep in mind here everywhere plus will come, like we expand with the help of sine rule, then here plus minus and plus comes. But why I am taking plus here? Because already sign has been changed here. With the help of this rule already we have changed the sign, because minus sign we will change only, we will get cofactors, so we will not change sign again and again. So here always plus will come, you can see in these formulas everywhere you can see plus. Okay, so like if you take second row we will take all three plus, positive positive positive. Okay, but if directly we will do not with the help of cofactor, then we follow sign convention rule, like plus minus plus plus minus plus, so like that we follow. So I hope you understood how to expand any determinant with the help of cofactors. Okay, so thank you for watching the video.